Bangladesh is mainly an agricultural country, and agriculture plays a pivotal role in the country's economy. Organized efforts can take her agro-business to the apex of development. A group of committed agriculturists have come forward with a mission to augment sustainable development of agriculture through establishment of agro-industries. They have established a group of business firms named Krishibid Group, with the founder, Krishibid Firm Limited, being the holding company. The group started its journey in the year 2001, having registered with the Registrar of Joint Stock Companies and Firms. The Krishibid Group is strongly committed to offer excellent customer services with a difference. Besides, the group's aim is always to give the highest level of dividend to its valued shareholders while maintaining a high standard of business ethics. Through practice of modern management and corporate governance, the group has now achieved ISO certification. Krishibid Firm Limited. The Krishibid Firm Limited, KFL, established in the year 2001, is the mother and holding company of the Krishibid Group. The KFL usually initiates and rears new projects, and at maturity, those are registered as independent companies. It is governed by a board of directors. The policies and decisions taken by the board are executed by an executive committee elected by the directors. All business policy, planning and financial activities of the KFL and her sister concerns are approved by KFL Board. Krishibid Firm Limited is a member of Dhaka Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Asia Pacific Seed Association and Bangladesh Seed Association. Glorious Lands and Development Limited. The Glorious Lands and Development Limited is a real estate company established in 2004. The company has successfully developed a large housing area at Birulia on 300 hectares of land that accommodates 3,000 plots with provisions for all modern civic amenities. The project area is on natural high land and is uniquely protected from air, water and sound pollution. Permanent campuses of Glorious University and Glorious International School and College are within the project. Krishibid Poultry Limited. The Krishibid Poultry Limited was established in 2005 for commercial production of broilers and chicken eggs. The farm is at Guziam village of Bhaluka, Mymensingh, on 15 hectares of land with 30% watersheds and 20% highlands. A 6-storied layer farm of the company accommodates about 100,000 birds, having an average daily production of 50,000 eggs. Krishibid Properties Limited. The Krishibid Properties Limited emerged as a company in 2008 to resolve the residential housing problems of middle-class and low-income agriculturists and other service holders in and outside Dhaka. The company is building modern apartments and commercial spaces using best quality construction materials. All the buildings of the company are designed by highly qualified and experienced architects and engineers as per ACI and Bangladesh National Building Code. The company is going to establish a holiday suite and 5-star hotel at Kuakata, the most attractive tourist spot in the southwest of Bangladesh. Krishibid Properties Limited is a member of Rehab. Krishibid Feed Limited. An automatic feed mill has been set up to manufacture high-quality poultry, cattle and fish feeds. The mill is located at Nishinda Bazar of Bhaluka, Mymensingh. The mill's capacity is 15 tons of feeds per hour. The mill is manufacturing both floating and sinking feeds for fish and shrimps. It also manufactures quality poultry and cattle feeds of all kinds. Krishibid Feed Mill is equipped with modern machineries along with 2 silos of 6,000 tons capacity. Krishibid Feed Limited is a member of Feed Industry Association of Bangladesh. Krishibid Packaging Limited. Krishibid Packaging Limited is a public limited company under Krishibid Group, registered with the Joint Stock Company in 2016. The industry, located at Akrain Birulia of Savar, Dhaka, has been established for fabrication and manufacture of plastic flexible packaging and foils for consumer industries. The main clients of the company's products are food industries, toiletries and soap industries, agro industries, pharmaceutical industries, etc. Glorious Overseas Limited. Bangladesh is considered as a major source of technical, skilled and unskilled manpower by a number of overseas countries. The Glorious Overseas Limited has therefore emerged as a company to develop human resources through specialized technical training in order to compete for overseas job market. The company intends to provide honest, efficient and quick services to the valued foreign employers for recruitment and development of skilled manpower. Krishibid Farm Machineries and Automobiles Limited. Krishibid Farm Machineries and Automobiles Limited imports vehicles from Japan, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand and Korea for local sales. The company also intends to set up an assembly plant to assemble imported CKD vehicles. The company has set up a modern repair and maintenance workshop for providing top-class maintenance services with facilities for automatic diagnosis and fault detection systems. Besides, the company is importing and marketing farm machineries suitable for local conditions with an aim to enhance agricultural mechanization in Bangladesh. Krishibid Salt Limited. Krishibid Salt Limited is another concern of the Krishibid Group that cultivates salt on 400 hectares of land at Moheshkhali, Cox's Bazar. The company has planned to establish an automatic salt industry at Islampur. The company is a member of Salt Mill Owners Association. Krishibid Fisheries Limited. Krishibid Fisheries Limited, KFL, started its journey in 2011 with an established hatchery located at Bahadurpur under Trishal Upazila of Mymensingh on 50 hectares of ponds and low lands. It has started breeding quality fish seeds and is marketing them at wholesale as well as retail markets. Fisheries ponds at Bahuli and Guziam areas in Bhaluka have been merged with this company for growing table fish and fingerlings of various culture fishes. The company is planning to establish a national brood bank within the fish farm. Krishibid Security and Services Limited. Krishibid Security and Services Limited is a concern of Krishibid Group having a motto, not only profit, quality, commitment and service we care. It provides smart and well-trained guards and service personnel to ensure high-quality security services. The company is uniquely organized and developed to offer customized security and services and is committed to provide lacuna-free and dedicated services to the valued clients. confidence and trust of clients are our capital, and we are committed to leave no stone unturned to earn that. Krishibid Tours and Travels Limited. Krishibid Group has added a new fleet in its business named Krishibid Tours and Travels Limited. The company, having registered in November 2012, facilitates tourism comfortably and professionally. The KTTL launches Hajj and Umrah packages, airlines ticket booking, worldwide hotel reservation, inbound and outbound tours of all kinds, visa processing, etc. Krishibid Tours and Travels envision to lead tourism industry in Bangladesh. Krishibid Bazaar Limited. Krishibid Bazaar is a challenging addition in Krishibid Group, strictly adhering to its motto, not only profit, quality, commitment and service we care. The Krishibid Bazaar is different from the other supermarkets in many respects. We procure only brand products. Its fresh corner is unique with Krishibid products, which are always halal, healthy and friendly. Our farms are supervised by experienced agricultural scientists. Krishibid Printings and Publication Limited. Krishibid Printings and Publication Limited were registered with Joint Stock Company in 2012. The company, having modern printing machineries, offers the best quality offset printing services. It caters for high-quality printing of books, journals, bulletins, periodicals, magazines, annual reports, newspapers, catalogue, marketing and publicity materials, office materials, etc. within an overall environment of ethical conduct, efficiency and accountability. Krishibid Food and Beverage Limited. Krishibid Food and Beverage Limited is a public limited company having factory at Chatbari of Mirpur, Dhaka. The company has started operation in 2016 to manufacture and distribute food and beverage products. As a fundamental human need, food and beverages always play a central role in our lives. However, safe food and drink are of prime global concern today. Our vision is to become one of the largest food and beverage processing and manufacturing industries in the country. Krishibid Media Corporation Limited. Krishibid Media Corporation Limited started its journey in 2016. This is a public limited company that envisions bringing about a revolutionary change in the development process of agricultural sector of Bangladesh through use of information technology and the magical power of broadcast media. The company runs an online television named KTV Bangladesh, an online radio named Voice of Bangladesh, and a media production house are also being operated by the corporation. The corporation also publishes a monthly bulletin, Krishi Barta, an international standard scientific journal, The Agriculturists, and a daily newspaper, The Ushar Bani. Krishibid Seed Limited. Krishibid Seed Limited is a public limited company under Krishibid Group, registered with the Joint Stock Company in 2016. The company produces, processes and markets high-quality seeds of cereals and other high-value crops. The company is a member of Asia-Pacific Seed Association, Bangladesh Seed Association and Seed Industries Association in Bangladesh. The company envisions to augmenting the development of agriculture in Bangladesh through supply of high-quality seeds, the most precious input for improved productivity. Krishi Foundation. The Krishi Foundation is a non-profit organization established to carry out the corporate social responsibilities of the group. Krishi Foundation is committed to promote agricultural science and technology as well as to assist the underprivileged people of the society through providing education, training and employment, income generation and healthcare. It undertakes consultancy, research and development activities, offers scholarship to the needy and meritorious students of the agricultural universities. Distribution of farm inputs, seeds and seedlings, winter clothes is a routine work of the foundation. Glorious University. Krishibid Group had envisioned establishing a world-class university that is now going to be a reality with the emergence of Glorious University at Komolapur of Savar, Dhaka. The vision of this university is to establish and sustain a center of excellence in higher education and research. The university aims at providing intellectual leadership in the field of higher education. At the same time, we intend to establish and sustain an ethical environment and build the learners in the spirit of moral character and patriotism. Glorious International School and College. The Krishibid Group has established an international standard institute named Glorious International School and College. The school is located within the Krishibid Westview campus at Komolapur of Savar. The school follows English medium under British curricula. Besides, emphasis is given on building moral and ethical values among the students. The school envisions to motivating the students on the inspiration of patriotism and national unity. Glorious Technical Training Institute. Glorious Technical Training Institute was founded in 2008 as a project of Krishibid Foundation to add value to the unemployed youth who constitute a major portion of the mass people of Bangladesh. The goal of this institute is to convert them into effective manpower through training, offer them employment in order to alleviate poverty. The institute has been approved by the Bangladesh Technical Education Board to conduct trade courses of 6 months duration. Presently, the GTTI is located at Mirpur, Dhaka. Courses on welding, electrical, auto mechanics, driving, plumbing and civil construction are currently being offered by the institute. Governance of the Krishibid Group. A 9-member board of directors directly elected by the shareholders governs the KFL. The policies adopted by the board are executed by the executive committee, who are selected by the KFL board from amongst the MDs and CEOs of different companies. All individual companies are governed by the respective board of directors, which is initially formed by the KFL and is comprised of 3 directors from the shareholders and 6 from the other companies. The managing directors of the concerned companies are always appointed by the KFL board. The Krishibid Group envisions to be one of the largest agro-based business firms of Bangladesh, with the investment in some new sectors like shrimp culture and export, cattle and buffalo breeding, dairy, beef fattening. The activities of Krishibid Group have been expanded considerably. The group is considering diversification of its business in the areas of banking and finance, auto rice and flour mills, resort and convention center, trade center, medical college, etc. We are looking forward towards the erection of a 50-storied Krishibid Tower that will house the Krishibid Trade Center and a mega shopping complex. The Krishibid Group complies with the fundamental principles of corporate governance: accountability, responsibility, transparency. The group values the aspiration of the people. Our sincere love and commitment to the nation, and above all, blessings of Almighty Allah have led to the success of our beloved Krishibid Group.